How to create recurring tasks in Asana. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super easy video. So let's get started right away. Now remember trying this in monday.com and it was actually way harder than it is on here. Here you can do it in a matter of seconds. So here I have a couple of different tasks. So if I were to edit the task a bit and then give it a due date. So I'm going to give it a new due date to like the 28th. And then that's it, right? But what you want to do is click on this again. And here you have set to repeat. So you have two options, add a time or set to repeat. If you click on set to repeat, then you can repeat it weekly, daily, monthly, yearly, periodically. So this is, and then custom. So this is a custom time. But let's say I want to do it monthly, and then I can set the day for which day of the month I want it to repeat. So the 28th is what I've currently set it to. So that's what it automatically sets it to as well. So that's super easy. You can also, if you set it to weekly, you can choose a day in the week, for example, Friday. So yeah, that's how you can create recurring tasks, and it's actually super easy to do. So then once you're done, you can also, for example, select this one. It's set to Friday, then to monthly recurring, and then that's that. So that's how you can easily create recurring tasks in Asana. I hope this quick video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time. Have a good day.